Hi everyone, how are you today? Today I want to talk about history. The Achaemenid Empire دوره هخامنشیان رو میخوام در موردش صحبت کنم و یه سری حالا اطلاعات رو بهتون بدم و اینکه اگر هر سوالی داشتم تو قسمت کامنت ها بنویسید. لایک، کامنت و سابسکرایب هم یادتون نره. The Achaemenid Empire. The Achaemenid Empire was the first Persian empire, founded by Cyrus the Great in 550 BC. It became one of the largest empires in history, stretching from India to Egypt. The capital cities were Persepolis, Susa, and Pasargadae. One of the most famous kings was Darius the Great, 522-486 BC. He improved the empire by building roads, organizing the government, and introducing a new currency. Another great king was Xerxes I, who fought against Greece in the Persian Wars. The Achaemenid kings were known for their tolerance of different cultures and religions. They allowed people to practice their own traditions. The Persian Royal Road helped trade and communication across the empire. In In 330 BC, the Achaemenid Empire fell when Alexander the Great defeated the last king Darius. However, its influence remained strong in story, especially in Persian culture and governance. خب اینم از ویدیوی امروز ما. هر سالی داشتین جای رو متوجه نشدین توی قسمت کامنت ها به من بگید. تا یه آموزش دیگه و ویدیو دیگه، خدا نگهدار.